welcome to another video. Hopefully, fingers crossed, my sound is okay because I came to record and realised that the battery had gone in my Rode mic. So I am having to record audio through the camera. Hopefully you can hear me loud and clear and everything is fine. Technical issues as per usual. So recently I have been getting a lot of private messages and comments and stuff on my Twitter ad video. Basically people saying my ad isn't running, why isn't my ad running, I'm spending too much budget and blah blah blah. So I thought I would put together some little videos just to answer these frequently asked questions. So this one is going to be, why isn't my ad running? So a lot of the questions that I get asked are from people running Twitter ads that have followed the whole video, which if you have not watched the video, I will link it down below for you so you can go check that out. But they will have watched a video, set up their Twitter ads, and then Twitter will just be constantly pending approval for their ads. So I wanted to kind of highlight a couple of key reasons, the most common reasons why Twitter might not be running your ad. So I'm not going to make you hang around for the entire video to find out what you really want to know. So I'm going to start with the most common reason why your Twitter ads may not be running or get approved straight away. So usually a Twitter ad will take maybe an hour, 2 hours to get approved by Twitter and start running, depending obviously on when you have specified your ad to run. But if you have specified that it needs to run as soon as you finish creating it, then it should be fairly quick off the mark to get approved and start actually being served to people. So if you go back on and you can see that your ad is still pending approval, so the most common reason for that is usually to do with your audience targeting. So it's either too broad or it's too niche, it's too narrow. So that is the first thing I would say to have a look at. There should be like a little dialy thing, which if you have watched my Twitter ads for beginners video, then you will see that little kind of dial. So what it does is it tells you whether your audience targeting is too broad or whether it's too narrow, and it should tell you where the kind of sweet spot is. So once it's in the green, you're good to go. So when it comes to your audience targeting being too broad, it basically means that you need to add more targeting, what's the word I'm looking for? Targeting specifications. So choose things like different behaviors, different interests, choose things like job roles, go off keywords in the bios, go off all of that and try and narrow it down a bit more. So it's all well and good saying I'm going to have a Twitter ad and I'm going to target everyone because I'll get loads of people seeing my ad. But what Twitter wants you to do is create an ad that is going to be successful for you and the goal that you have specified. So if your goal is to convert a load of these people on Twitter into paying customers, you're sending them to your site, then Twitter will look for the people that are most likely to click on your ad. So if your audience targeting is too broad, it can't do that properly, and that is when you get issues with things like pending ads and not being approved for ads, because Twitter's like, who to give these ads to? If you don't know, you clearly don't know because you're targeting everybody under the sun, so how are we gonna know? So they just go, nah, no, you can't have your advertising run on our platform. However, it could be a case of you've gone the complete opposite way and you've actually put too many things in. So if you've got too many interests, if you've got too many targeting specifications and your audience is really niche, really narrow, again, you're gonna run into the same problem. So it's going to be a case of Twitter being like, I don't know who you want me to serve these ads to because there's like nobody that you have specified like left on Twitter or using Twitter or that we think will click through for your ad. So it's all about finding the balance between being niche but not being, what's the word? Why can't I think of words today? So that's the number one reason that I often find when I look into people's Twitter accounts and see if I can spot anything. That's usually the first thing, is that their audience targeting is off. So if you are having this issue and your Twitter ads just aren't being approved, then that is probably why they're not being approved. However, there are also other factors that could be stopping your Twitter ads from being approved. And these are little things that you can easily do that some people just forget about, or they don't realise that they have to do. So first of all, you need to make sure that you have a payment method that is valid, your card isn't expired, and Twitter can actually easily take the money that that you're spending on Twitter. So they need to have that insurance there that whatever you spend on Twitter or whatever you spend on Twitter ads, that they can actually get that money from you. So your payment method needs to be up to date. It needs to be easily accessible for Twitter once your ads have been run. And then the next one is that your email address might not be verified. So they like to make sure that you are who you say you are. So if you haven't verified your email address yet, or you haven't actually specified an email address or a phone number on your Twitter account, which I think you have to do when you sign up, but if you don't verify it after you've signed up, then that can cause issues further down the line. So make sure that you have a verified email address or phone number attached to your account as well. Another reason it could be your budget. So if you have a very small budget, it might be a case of Twitter is not approving or serving your ads because they just don't have the budget to bid on the target audience that you're basically targeting. So when Twitter is bidding for you on where to place your ads and who to serve your ads to, it kind of uses its formula to figure out how much to bid on that kind of ad space. Is that the best way to describe it? I think so. Anyway, so if you have a very, very small budget, which I always do, and maybe it's too small for the date range that you have specified. So if you have like £10 to spend on a whole of a campaign, and you've specified that that campaign should run from the first campaign should run from the 1st to the 31st of like, what month are we in? June, July, I don't know, whatever. Then your ads won't be served, your ads won't run because there's not enough budget there to actually bid on any space. So the people that are also bidding on your target audience, the audience that you have specified in your Twitter ad campaign, if they have more budget than you, then Twitter will just use them and serve up their ads over you because you haven't got the budget there. So check your budget, make sure that your budget is decent for the amount of time you've got specified. If you have only got a tenner, that's fine, but it means that you can't run an ad for a long period of time. It might just be like a week or something like that. So make sure you've worked out how much your budget can spend every single day. And then that'll give you a better idea of whether your budget is too high or too low and all of that. So that is another area that you might want to look at. They are the main ones that I have found whenever I look at someone's Twitter account. So they're the kind of ones that I would say, if this is an issue, if you are finding that your Twitter ads just aren't running, or maybe they've been approved and they're just not being served to people, so you're not seeing any data in there, then these are the kind of top reasons why that might be the case. If there is anything else, I would definitely recommend getting in touch with Twitter support. They do get back fairly quickly, but sometimes they can be a bit hit and miss. If it's a case of you are just getting nothing back from Twitter support, you've looked at all of these things and you just don't know why your Twitter ads aren't working, then I do offer Twitter consultancy and Twitter ad support services. So if you want to find out more about that, then you can drop me a message, comment down below, or get in touch with me on my Facebook page, which a lot of people do, so you can drop me a quick message over there as well. All my links are down below, so you can go and check that out. But that is pretty much it for this video. Remember, if you have any other questions, feel free to put them in the comments down below, and maybe I will make a video specifically about your question. Hopefully this is helpful to you. Hopefully I've answered some questions and I've given you some food for thought, and you can go away now and have a good look at your Twitter account and find out what's going on. But yeah, that is it for this video. Thank you for watching, and remember, if you enjoyed this, if it was helpful, give it a thumbs up, remember to subscribe, and also comment down below what you thought, whether it was actually helpful to you or whether you're just like, you've not helped me whatsoever. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.